Arrive in style with this Ram 2020 2500 Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are power adjust and heated black tow mirrors included, mirror running lights, exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, exterior mirrors, courtesy lamps, trailer tow mirrors, bright white clear coat, Tradesman Level 2 equipment group included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service, Sirius XM satellite radio, rear window defroster, satin chrome interior door handles. For more info call 800-643-2112. Rear power sliding window, carpet floor covering, tires, LT 275/70R18 EAL on off-road, gross vehicle weight, 10,000 lbs, STD, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches steel chrome clad, transmission, 6-speed automatic, 68 RFE, included, urethane shift,